Let's have a look at the XVAPE Cricket 2.0, a slim, portable gunmetal gray wax pen from XVAPE for concentrates. Inside the box you'll find one XVAPE Cricket 2.0, one CBD cartridge, one packing tool, and one USB charger. To load your unit, first remove the mouthpiece to expose the coils. Load your wax into the chamber using your stainless steel tool. Once you have completed this, replace the mouthpiece, press the power button 5 times, and you are ready to vaporize. The XVAPE Cricket has 3 voltage settings that you can cycle between by pressing the button 3 times rapidly. Green is the lowest at 3.6 volts, blue is 3.8, and finally red is the highest at 4 volts. Let me tell you about some of the key features of the XVAPE Cricket which make it such a useful device. The first is ease of use. This unit is intuitive as there is only one button. It's perfect just to grab and go. Just load your concentrate in and get vaping. The second is the magnetic mouthpiece. This addition makes loading and cleaning easy. The third is the liquid attachment. This allows for a wider variety of concentrates for use in your wax pen. All in all, the XVAPE Cricket is great for anyone looking for a stealthy, cost-effective wax pen. I'm Alex for TVape TV. We hope you enjoyed this video and found it useful. And for all you connoisseurs out there, keep vaping!